एक केस, एक रेबीज का केस जो प्रूव हो चुका है कि रेबीज की वजह से थी भी नहीं वो डेथ जो लड़की की हुई है, उसको लेके 3 lakhs dogs are going to be relocated or rather killed. Why don't we accept that they're going to just be killed by the end of it? Because it's not possible in the capacity of the government or the local bodies to make shelters that can accommodate that many dogs in just 8 weeks of time. It is only going to be a mass killing of the dogs. It is the incompetence of the government and the local municipal bodies who have not been able to vaccinate these many dogs. They have not been able to sterilize these dogs. अगर ये ABC का जो प्रोग्राम है जो इतने सालों से है इसको कभी इम्प्लीमेंट किया गया होता जिसके लिए अलग से बजट अलोकेटेड है तो आज ये दिन आता ही नहीं. एनिमल लवर्स, the local NGOs, they're trying their best to get the dogs and cats sterilized in their communities. They make sure that the feeding is done. They make sure that if the dogs and cats are sick, they get them treated. सब कुछ अपने जेबों से होता है. कोई सरकार की मदद नहीं मिलती है इन सब कामों में. And I'm saying that because I've been doing it for many years. And we make sure that the dogs and cats are sterilized in that particular area क्योंकि नए बच्चे अगर पैदा होंगे तो वो फिर हमारी जिम्मेदारी होती है to get them adopted. And thanks to all these breed lovers, you are equally responsible for this situation in the country right now. Every single time that you all buy a breed dog or a cat, you are taking away the chance of that stray cat or kitten or a puppy. It's because of your greed to have a good looking dog in your home because these strays remain strays. So don't call yourself animal lovers and don't call yourself dog lovers. I don't know how it's going to be possible now that this judgment is already passed. People who are trying to have a peaceful protest on the streets are being taken away by the police. So I have no idea how this is going to work, but it's going to be death of compassion. I really don't know. I'm just saying that it's breaking my heart to even imagine what the dogs are going to go through. And I never imagined that being in a country like India, we are going to bear witness to a mass killing like this. I don't know what to do, what else to do. I don't know which authorities to approach. I don't know where to go and protest or voice my opinion. But all I can say is that it's just killing me from within. This is not done. Shame on us, shame on our country, and shame on who didn't think twice before passing a judgment. You could have taken the animal lovers, NGOs in confidence, and you could have asked, what help do you need from the government or the local authorities to reduce this number of dogs? Please, in some way or the other, just stop this. Take this decision back.